Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is petrified. It's pronounced petrified, and it's spelt P-E-T-R-I-F-I-E-D. Don't let this spelling scare you. Think Petri and then Fied. Petrified means extremely frightened, often to the point that you are unable to move. For example, you could say, I stood petrified as the huge lion ran towards me. The word petrified comes from the Greek root word petro, meaning rock or stone, and the Middle French word petrifier, meaning to make or become stone. Can you see the link here? Petrified means being so scared that you cannot move and you freeze in place, like a stone or statue. Did you know that there is a scientific process called petrification, which is based on the word petrify or petrified? Petrification is the process where organic material, such as animal or plant parts, turns into a fossil. The process results in the material turning completely to stone while retaining the original shape and structure of the original organism. For example, have you seen the dinosaur skeletons and teeth in the Natural History Museum in London? These are not actual dinosaur bones and teeth. Instead, the original teeth and bones underwent petrification and turned into the stone fossils that you can see today. Petrification is pretty interesting. Also, if you've read or watched Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, you will know that one of the ways the basilisk attacks its victims is with its eyes. In the case of the basilisk, its gaze ordinarily kills living creatures, but when seen indirectly or by a ghost, who is already dead and cannot die again, it causes petrification instead and renders the person immobile and unconscious, a bit like a statue. Petrified is an adjective and therefore it is used to describe. For example, you could say, the petrified child clung to her mother. The child was too scared to let go. Petrified is defined in the dictionary as so frightened or terrified that one is unable to move. Petrified synonyms include terrified, terror-struck, horrified, horror-struck, transfixed, fossilized, and frozen. Antonyms include reassured, comforted, encouraged, confident, unafraid, calm, collected, and composed. We hope that you don't feel petrified at all today, but if you do see someone who is so scared that they can't move, comfort them and tell them they don't need to be petrified. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.